Basic of Indian economy and national income, economic growth and economic development and planning. Question 1. Consider the following statements regarding incremental capital output ratio, ICR. 1. The incremental capital output ratio, ICR, explains the relationship between the level of investment made in the economy and the consequent increase in GDP. 2. The measure is used predominantly in determining a country's level of production efficiency, and a higher ICR is preferred as it indicates a country's production is more efficient. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding natural farming. 1. It is considered an agroecology-based diversified farming system which integrates crops, trees and livestock with functional biodiversity. 2. It will reduce the government's heavy subsidy burden and also help prevent water pollution. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 3. What are the possible impacts of the rise in direct tax collection? 1. It will reduce the crowding out effect. 2. It will increase interest rates and higher GDP growth rate. 3. It will not reduce income inequalities and social inequalities. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. All of the above. Question 4. Consider the following statements. 1. The Index of Industrial Production, IIP, is compiled and published monthly by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, DPIT, Ministry of Commerce. 2. Crude oil has the highest weightage in the 8 core sector industries. 3. The Index of Industrial Production, IIP, is the only measure of the physical volume of production. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding rule curve. 1. A rule curve or rule level specifies the storage or empty space to be maintained in a reservoir during different times of the year. 2. It displays how household expenditure on a particular good or service varies with change in household income. 3. It is part of the core safety mechanism in a dam and decides the fluctuating storage levels in a reservoir. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1 and 2 only. Question 6. Consider the basic features of imperative planning. 1. Numerically devoid qualitative targets. 2. Ownership rights of resources are assigned and controlled by the central government. 3. No role for the market, no price mechanism. 4. Significant presence of the private sector in the economy to supplement state intervention. Select the incorrect answer using the code given below. A. 2 and 3 only. B. 1, 2 and 4 only. C. 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 7. Which of the following statement is correct about the type of planning? A. Globally most countries are mixed economies with indicative types of planning. B. System planning emphasizes on socio-institutional factors to root out the problem in society and economy. C. Normative planning gives less importance to socio-economic problems such as caste, religion, and language to accomplish established goals. D. Niti Aayog, which was established in January 2015, was the official acceptance of system planning in India. Question 8. Which one of the following statements appropriately describes spatial planning? A. The planning in which planners emphasizes on the specific sector of the economy, i.e. agriculture, industry or the services. B. Methods and approaches used by the public and private sector to influence the distribution of people. C. Spatial planning aims to raise revenue, attain short-term economic growth with targets to bring price stability. D. The planning which uses for the efficient land use, infrastructure and settlement growth across a larger area of land. Question 9. The engineer-statesman, M. Visvesvaraya, was the first to advocate the idea of planning for India. With the context of Visvesvaraya's plan, consider the following statements. 1. This plan was the first blueprint of Indian planning in pre-independence India. 2. Main idea of this plan was to implement command economy due to M. Visvesvaraya's close association with Mysore state. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 10. Which of the following statement is correct about the National Planning Committee, NPC, set up in 1938? 1. The National Planning Committee was set up by the initiative of INC President J. L. Nehru in 1938. 2. J.R.D. Tata, G.D. Birla was also invited for participation in the National Planning Committee. 3. NPC was a 30-member committee devoid of any subcommittee who failed to produce any recommendation due to its large membership. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 2 only. D. 3 only.